Welcome to the benefits of. This channel covers all things health. Today let's discuss the health benefits of Pilates. Pilates is taking the world by storm. This exercise regimen has become a global phenomenon, captivating fitness enthusiasts everywhere. It's a workout system that's got everyone talking, and for good reason. Pilates offers a unique blend of physical and mental benefits that are hard to find in other workouts. Pilates is all about controlled movements and focused breathing. These elements work together to create a harmonious balance between body and mind. It's a brilliant way to build strength, boost flexibility, and feel amazing inside and out. The exercises are designed to target specific muscle groups, enhancing overall body tone. Pilates is for everyone, from beginners to athletes. No matter your age or fitness level, you can benefit from this versatile workout. It's a low-impact workout, so it's gentle on your joints. This makes it an excellent choice for those recovering from injuries or looking for a safer exercise option. But don't let that fool you. Pilates is seriously effective. The intensity can be adjusted to match your fitness level, ensuring you get a challenging workout every time. It will challenge your muscles and leave you feeling energized. The sense of accomplishment after a Pilates session is unparalleled. Ready to unlock your fitness potential? Pilates can help you achieve your goals, whether it's improving your core strength, flexibility, or overall well-being. Let's dive into the amazing benefits of Pilates. Discover how this incredible workout can transform your body and mind, making you feel stronger, more flexible, and revitalized. Want a strong and stable core? Pilates is your secret weapon. Pilates exercises target your deep abdominal muscles. These muscles support your spine and give you that sculpted midsection. A strong core is key for everything you do. It improves your balance, posture, and athletic performance. Pilates helps you develop a rock-solid core. You'll feel the difference in your everyday life. Say goodbye to back pain and hello to better posture. With a strong core, you'll move with more power and grace. Get ready to feel strong and unstoppable. Pilates is like yoga's cool cousin. It's a unique blend of strength and flexibility training that focuses on controlled movements and breathing. It's all about lengthening and stretching your muscles. With each session, you'll feel your muscles elongate and your body becoming more limber. Pilates improves your range of motion. This means you can move your body more freely and easily, making everyday activities less of a chore. Imagine being able to twist, bend, and stretch without any discomfort or stiffness. Tight hamstrings? Pilates can help. Regular practice can release tension and improve flexibility in your legs. Stiff shoulders? Pilates has got you covered. It targets those hard-to-reach areas, ensuring your shoulders stay loose and mobile. Improved flexibility reduces your risk of injury. By keeping your muscles flexible and strong, you're less likely to suffer from strains and sprains. It also enhances your athletic performance. Athletes often incorporate Pilates into their training to boost their agility, strength, and coordination. And let's not forget the everyday benefits. Simple tasks like lifting groceries or playing with your kids become much easier. You'll be able to reach for that top shelf with ease. No more struggling to grab items that are just out of reach. Bending down to tie your shoes will be a breeze. Say goodbye to the days of feeling stiff and uncomfortable. Pilates helps you move with fluidity and grace. You'll feel like a dancer, gliding through your day with ease and confidence. Section 4. Mental Mastery. Find your Zen. Pilates is a workout for your mind and body. The focus on controlled breathing and precise movements brings a sense of calm and clarity. Pilates helps to reduce stress and anxiety. It's like a moving meditation. Regular Pilates practice can improve your mood and boost your overall well-being. It helps you to connect with your body and quiet your mind. In today's fast-paced world, we all need moments of peace. Pilates provides a sanctuary for your mind and body. Section 5. Posture perfect. Stand tall and proud. Good posture is essential for a healthy and confident you. Pilates strengthens the muscles that support your spine. This helps you to stand taller and straighter. Pilates also increases your body awareness. You'll become more conscious of your posture throughout the day. Improved posture not only makes you look better, but it also makes you feel better. It reduces back pain and improves your breathing. When you stand tall with confidence, you radiate positive energy. Pilates helps you unlock your inner and outer strength. Section 6. The science speaks, Pilates works. Pilates has stood the test of time, and now science is backing it up. This exercise regimen, developed by Joseph Pilates in the early 20th century, has evolved into a comprehensive fitness system that is embraced worldwide. Studies have shown that Pilates can reduce chronic back pain, improve balance and coordination, and even aid in rehabilitation from injuries. It's not just about physical benefits. Pilates also promotes mental well-being. Pilates can increase muscle strength and endurance, enhance flexibility and range of motion, and reduce stress and improve mood. The controlled movements and focus on breathing help to create a mind-body connection that is both calming and invigorating. The research is clear. Pilates is a powerful tool for improving your physical and mental health. Numerous studies have documented its effectiveness in enhancing overall fitness and well-being. It's a holistic approach to fitness that delivers real results. Whether you're young or old, a beginner or an experienced athlete, Pilates offers something for everyone. The exercises can be modified to suit different fitness levels and goals. So what are you waiting for? Join the Pilates revolution and experience the transformative power of this incredible workout system. With consistent practice, you'll notice improvements in your posture, flexibility, and overall strength. Embrace the journey to a healthier, happier you with Pilates. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the information and found it helpful. Remember, the content here is for educational purposes and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major health decisions. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Don't forget to check the links below for additional resources. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. See you in the next video.